Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, May 29th, and I have the cutest collection to share with you. This is the panel from Faraway Kingdom, and if you see on the top edge there, it actually says Once Upon a Time. It's so cute. On St. George's Day in Catalonia, everything revolves around the legend of St. George and the dragon. The streets are full of stalls selling books and roses, and literature is celebrated. Faraway Kingdom is inspired by St. George's Day and fantastic tales with dragons flying high above in castles and brave princesses saving the day. So that is the panel for this group. We have this amazing kit, and you really have to appreciate the sides and the top and the bottom. So this kit includes fabric for the quilt top and the binding, and the great pattern by Apples and Beavers. The finished size is 40 by 50, and look, it looks like a storybook. The kit looks like a book. I love it. I love the way Riley Blake packages their kits. So this one is designed to open like a storybook. It's so adorable. And look at the inside. They do a lovely job. And so Astrid of Apples and Beavers is hosting a free quilt along for this quilt starting June 1st. And you can find more information at applesandbeavers.com. And I did hear Lori, our inventory manager, saying that she'll have free patterns for little additional things you can put in your dragon quilt, including like little fairies and things like that. So you might want to head over to applesandbeavers.com and see what she has that you could add to your dragon. So cute. I really love the detail that is put into this. It's a lot of fun. It's by Natalie Juan Abeo for Riley Blake. Or Natalia Juan Abeo. And as a reminder, we have the All Blue Ridge Shop Pop starting this Friday, just a couple of days. And we are going to bring back our spool selfies. If you've ever visited Cary Quilting, you'll know we have some giant spools out front. And we have spool selfies to celebrate your visit to the shop. So you can take a spool selfie and then post it online on Facebook or Instagram to be entered to win gift cards throughout the whole shop pop. We also have really fun temporary tattoos that I had made for QuiltCon this year, and we're going to have a temporary tattoo station so you can have fun with that and surprise your significant others and children with your temporary tattoo that looks oh so real. And we have lots of other fun for you too. We have some fun little goodie bags with stuff that you can share and look at on your travels. Now this one I want to point out, there is a king frog king right in the middle of each of the diamonds. It's so cute. And actually you can probably see him better here. It's just too cute to not use. So
a huge collection.
Yeah, this is a good big group of fabric. So lots and lots of things you can do with it. These, of course, would be nice for bindings or for sashings. And we have one more. So if you haven't yet gotten involved with the All Blue Ridge Shop Pop, we do have magazines here, which include your passports and information to visit over 100 stores in North Carolina, Virginia, and West Virginia. And that runs all of May and all of June. So I'll be sure to put information in the description of the video so you can learn more and get signed up. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.